Well, setting up the forge today. Got a little breakdown forge. Make all these clay bricks for free. I just made a little mold. I got a bunch of clay out back. I got a mold in here somewhere. I think it's back here actually. I don't know. I make these bricks and they're free. I just do it when I'm sitting around taking a break, whatever. I don't know where that... Oh, there it is. Yeah, just a 2-banger. Gets me 2 bricks at a time. Gotta let it dry for a couple days. A good 20-inch. But get these piles out of here today. But today what we're working on is the baler. We baled 20 bales yesterday with it. I got a bit of an issue. I had the roller chain come off. 2050. So I got the brand new one right there. Here's the old one. She's in a few different parts. So, but as you can see, that's original roller chain. So I guess it's time for the old 37 to get some chain. But we got a load of hay over here. I think we got 30 of them on there. I baled 10 from the first run, the trial run, but it's good looking stuff. Smells real good. Nice and green yet. It's dry enough, it ain't gonna explode or nothing, which it wouldn't anyways, because that takes quite a bit, but square balers don't pack them tight enough, everybody knows that. The old Dodge, we're trying to sell that van so we can buy the windshield for the Dodge truck. That's the goal. We need some tires too for the tractor. But I'm gonna see if I can get this chain back on here. I don't know, we'll test her out and see if I can get a video, keep going from it. But keep watching, like and subscribe. So what we got here is it's actually the header chain. So all that it runs is the head, the pickup. So it goes around this, the plunger. This is a little slip guide for it. It goes down here. Right to this one here. And it goes back. And this one here actually, I guess is hidden. It's underneath that top one on the plunger there, as you can see. So it comes down like that, sneaks around, boom, right to the header. And if anybody knows anything about how the header gets held up on this side to equal out for the other side, which you can raise and lower it, would be much appreciated. I'd like to know if there's a spring or anything, because this just don't seem right. But let me know, and I'll keep you posted on this. I'm gonna try to get this. Well, as you can see, I have new chain. Nice. I'm gonna pull this block of wood off. Grease that one for sure while I'm under here. And I think I'm also gonna clean this stuff out. We're gonna get this baler rocking real good. And catch me in a minute.